For ways to lose weight for people who don't know where to start. Losing weight brings many health benefits, but many people when starting do not know how to do it properly. Although there are many different weight loss plans, what you need to do in the beginning is quite similar. When starting to lose weight, most people set high goals, wanting to lose at least 5 to 10 kilograms, or even more. This is completely doable if there is a reasonable plan and persistent implementation. To lose weight successfully, beginners need to comply with the following. 1. Don't drink things with a lot of sugar. One of the first things to do when starting to lose weight is to avoid drinks that are high in sugar such as carbonated soft drinks, milk tea, sugar tea, and many others. Sugar is very attractive to humans because it creates a pleasant feeling for the brain. However, these sugary drinks contain a lot of calories. These calories have little nutritional value. Therefore, drinking too much will cause a calorie surplus and excess fat accumulation. Instead, people need to prioritize drinking plenty of water. Health experts recommend drinking 35 to 40 milliliters of water/kg of body weight. For example, if a person weighs 50 kilograms, they need to drink at least 1.75 to 2 liters of water/day. If the weather is hot, you have to drink more. When exercising, you need to drink 0.5 to 1 liter of water/hour of exercise. 2. Walk. Walking has many amazing health benefits, requires no equipment, and can be done almost anywhere, anytime. Unlike jogging and jumping, walking will put less pressure on the body. This form is especially suitable for the elderly, overweight, obese, or with bone and joint problems. 3. Healthy eating. Eating healthy is key to successful weight loss. For people just starting to lose weight, they need to prioritize choosing healthy foods that they especially like on the list of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean meat, beans, low-fat milk, and seafood. Or nuts. These dishes are delicious and low in calories, so people who have just lost weight will feel satisfied and will easily follow the diet. 4. Take small steps. Changing your diet and exercise routine is very difficult. If you can't change everything at once, change slowly. Each week, you will establish a new eating or exercise routine to avoid a major impact on your life. For example, adopting a calorie-reducing diet and exercising at the same time can put a lot of physical strain. However, if applied slowly, it will give the body time to adapt and achieve better results.